Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your LLC on Sunbiz. First, you'll need to select a unique name for your business that complies with Florida statutes. Next, you must appoint a registered agent who has a physical street address in Florida and is available during business hours. Finally, be prepared for the filing fee, which is $125, covering both the articles of organization and the registered agent designation. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth application process. Now, let's navigate the Sunbiz website. Head over to sunbiz.org, the official portal for Florida business filings. Once there, locate and click on the Start New Filing option. From the available choices, select Florida Limited Liability Company to proceed. You'll then be prompted to input your carefully chosen LLC name and all the necessary information for your registered agent. Double-check every detail to avoid any delays in processing your application. Moving on, you'll need to provide details about your LLC's members or managers. This includes their full names and addresses, ensuring all information is current and correct. After inputting these details, take a moment to thoroughly review your entire application. This critical step helps catch any potential errors before submission. Also, confirm your contact information, including email and phone number, as Sunbiz will use these for important updates regarding your filing. Finally, it's time to finalize your LLC filing. You'll proceed to the payment section to submit the $125 filing fee securely online using a credit card or e-check. After successful payment, you will receive an email confirmation acknowledging your submission. Typically, your articles of organization will be processed and available on the Sunbiz website within 3 to 5 business days. Congratulations, your Florida LLC will then be officially established.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.